Welcome back, guys. What's up? How are you? Okay, guys, today I wanna do transmission oil change, and for my car it's very easy. I just saw a trick. I'm gonna show you right now step by step. What I did, I just take the dipstick out and just find something really helpful, hardware store. I connect it straight to. Under here we have something where we can take it, and let's pump. It's very important with this arrow. Let's give it a try. Oops. It's coming. Yeah, after a couple of tries, it's working really well. You just need to pump. And this is really awesome in case you want to take the oil transmission and to put another one, but I want to change it. I want to take the palm out, but to be more easy after, we're gonna do it from here. Oh guys, it's really quick. I just did 20 pumps, and I can show you an idea what I'm doing here. Here is the oil. Yep. And here is the pan. And if I take it right now, all the oil is gonna come down. But I'm trying to make my job more easy. And this thing is look really cool. Let's do it. Well done. Couple more minutes later, to give you guys an idea what I just did. This is the old transmission. Yeah, worked very easy. And now my job is to take all these nuts, and in my mind now it's gonna be less oil, and I'm gonna do this job more easy. Let's start it. Okay guys, after a couple more minutes and a little more effort, because sometimes the pan it's so stick, and I use my tool, but be careful. We're gonna do a little mess in case it come down, but I just left 2 nuts, one here, one there, just in case it's gonna do what I did. They're gonna fall down, and it's a little more. Here are the screw. 10 millimeters was really easy. If you have one of these too, make your life more easy. And almost few more steps and almost done. Okay, here is the transmission pan, and now the big expectation, to see how is our transmission. How we can see it, we can just, actually it's not, it's kind of good, it's not the very worst, but guys, actually here is a magnet, and this keep all the metal from your car. Have something, but now I'm gonna do a good cleaning. I'm gonna change the filter. It still have more. I'm gonna leave a couple more minutes, and we're doing a good job. Okay, this is the gasket I just put on top, but let's see. It's almost perfect. Of course, it's not new. This car have almost 300,000 miles, but it's still good. The magnet clean, inside clean. I use a brake cleaner. Make sure the stuff is good. Here we're done. I just need to take the filter and see what we have there. Okay, here is the new filter. Looks in a very good shape. And what I saw it, we put a time. Okay, I'm ready to put the new filter. Here's a gasket, it's coming with a gasket. I take it hold on, and what I saw it have a time here, like a date. It say 21/04. Actually, in that this was made, but I'll give you an idea in case you have this car to work. Okay, and sorry guys for this angle, but you need to make sure. Here is the dipstick. Oh, it's so deep. It's coming directly in here, and you can find here in this hole. You can see it. You need to make sure the sun is going there. Sorry for the video, but you understand. Okay, make sure this fit. Okay. You hear that? Everything is good. Okay. We're ready now to put the seal back, and we'll be back with more information. Okay, before we're going forward, we need to put oil like this with your finger. It's so clean. I like how it's looking. The old one, the new one. Gonna be a big difference. Yep, like this. The same. Okay, the gasket is ready, and don't worry, the gasket goes just in one way. You cannot put it upside down. These two holes, they are like this, and how we can see it look perfect. Now we're ready to do it. Okay, once it's fit in, I'm gonna do by hand. All of them like this, and after I'm gonna start. I will show you how. We have 14 sockets. I'm gonna do all of them, and after I will show you guys. Okay, once all of them are fit in, we're gonna start to do it like from middle, one here, there, here, there, here, there, like upside down. This way is the best way. We're gonna do it the best job. This is what we wanna do it. And the straight, what you need to be, it's about 11-12 foot-pound. What that means is not very strong, just enough to be tight, because it's a seal gasket here and not to be destroyed from beginning. Just 12 pounds we can do by our hand. Like imagine your tire, you're doing 80 foot-pounds. This one needs to be like almost 8 times lower, something like that. And of course you don't have a big key, we use a small racket, and this one is the best way. You're sure not gonna damage. Okay, I'm ready. Here is my transmission fluid. For my case I need what it says, the number. It says for Chrysler. But I was to my auto parts, I saved a car, and they just recommended me to do that. But I can see that here I have more than 1 gallon, and I'm looking, it's very dirty, and this is not first time when I change it. Okay, let's see, we're ready to do it. Okay guys, in the end I just add half a quarter because this car needed more, and I just checked, everything is up and running. I just did a quick ride. I'm checking under here, everything just looks the same. For now it's good, I'll keep you updated, but this job is well done for now. I played it for 40,000. If this car is gonna keep doing that, it's nice to have a good maintenance to your car. Till next time guys, goodbye.